Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about removing a password from your Windows XP computer. So if you want to go ahead and actually just remove a password from a user account, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do just that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, select Run, type in compmgmt.msc, exactly how you see it down here. So again, compmgmt.msc, select OK. Then make this a little bit bigger here. And on the left side, select the local users and groups, and then double click on the users folder. You want to right click on the user account name and select set password, select proceed. In the new password field, leave it blank and then select OK. You may be prompted to change your old password as well, but you can see the password has been set, so blank means that there is no password. Select OK, and that's it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.